105 Johnson 2018, a step up from the very successful 87 Johnson, allowing a larger salon, galley and additional stateroom, plus enlarging the flybridge. With its massive 23.5 beam and the ability to custom finish the boat the way you like, this is the right package. Available in both a flybridge or Skylounge model, an on-deck master or large country kitchen, and unlimited selection of interior finishes. The only thing you need is your dreams to be realized. Hull number 7 is sold. The next available hull is number 8 for construction to begin in the late summer of 2015. Don't wait, this boat is a bold and expressive yacht that will stand out in any port.